Hi, I'm Videli, and I would like to show you how I use the Accent AI 2.0 filter as a starting point for the majority of my edits. Now, with just one slider, I can quickly improve a variety of different images. Thanks to artificial intelligence, Accent AI automatically improves color, the detail, tone, and depth to an image. Now, these are adjustments I would normally have to do manually. Now, it's great for portraits too. Notice how it's able to recognize a person in the scene and make adjustments to the background without affecting the subject. Now, sometimes I also like to finish an edit with Accent AI to see if it will make the image look better. Now, if you would like to learn more about this filter or other filters, check out the user guide, which you can find under the Help menu.